Well, it looks like we are done. And we have 670 points. Whew, single core. 15, what was that? 1581 multi-core. Not bad. Not entirely anything to write home about, but not bad. And the thermals did go up quite a bit on the multi-core. Single core, a little bit more under control. Either way, it's seeming to calm its jets down a little bit more so now. But yeah, I guess that's not too bad considering its age and everything. Now, as far as comparisons, it's actually sitting on the single core. It's actually performing a little bit better than a 2.7 gigahertz Intel Xeon CPU, which would be a 12 core by 24 thread. That's a pretty impressive score there. And on our multi-core, well, it didn't quite do as well. It's actually below a 1.69 gigahertz 11th gen Core i7. But still, I mean, it's basically, I guess, it's around a little less than half of that anyway. But that single core, though, that's a pretty impressive score there for single core, especially for beating out a 12 core 24 thread 2.7 gigahertz Intel Xeon, and just being under a 2.3 gigahertz 4 core 8 thread. Pretty interesting. I just very interesting results. Just it's kind of like a weird flip. But anyway, that concludes this test. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But at least we didn't have a nuclear shutdown. That was good. I'm going to do some more experimenting and testing with this thing, so we'll get back to you on a few other things as time goes. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.